Meet the host 100 hacks 24 hours no fluff. First, open jars with ease using grip tapes. Side by side, baking soda scrub vs chemical cleaner effectiveness. Roll clothes, compress bags, measure luggage with backpack scale. Cable tidying with binder clips, demo at desk. Temporary fix, duct tape patch with clear sealant. Audience challenge, DIY a shelf with household items. Fail reel, common mistakes and quick rework. Expert debunks myths, explains why some hacks flop. We rank hacks by time, money saved. Freeze lemon rinds, ice cubes add flavor faster. 2-minute microwave clean, compare vinegar steam. Offline maps save roaming, demo Alt-Route planning. Alt-Tab sprint, switch apps in seconds. Turn jars into usable utensil holders quickly. Scan receipts, categorize items to cut waste. Some hacks save big, others barely justify. Data-driven final ranking shows true time and money saved.